Open your dogs bot. So you go to deposit to exchanges, then you go to exchanges, or you want to deposit in Telegram wallet, but go to exchanges. Choose Bybit. Then yes, you have yes, I have it. So you click on yes, I have it, and you get it. Now you have to look for your Bybit UID, deposit wallet address, and memo. Bybit now. So you go straight to that icon, the icon that has your picture, but I don't have my picture on it, top left. Now this is it. Under your email address, you see UID. You click on the UID there, copy it. Now you go back to your Telegram bot. You paste it there. Yes. Then now you go back into your Bybit account to get your wallet address, your deposit wallet address. So when you get there, you open your Bybit, you go straight to deposit, buy with fiat or buy with P2P. You click on it, and when you click on it, it will take you to a page, yes, and it says deposit crypto. That's where you click deposit crypto. Then you search for dogs on the search bar. Search for dogs. When you see dogs, yes, you click on it. Now you have to ensure that it's on ton. The chain type is ton. Make sure it is ton network. Make sure it is ton network. All right. Now you copy your deposit wallet address. Look, the memo, the tag or the memo is below, but the up one is your wallet address. Now you copy your wallet address first, then you go back to your Telegram bot and you paste it where you have your deposit address, dog's deposit address. You paste it there. You now go back to your Bybit again. Go back to the exchange, Bybit, and to copy the memo. Come here, you copy the memo and go back to the bot again and paste the memo. Yes, that's what you do. Then you are ready. So all you need to do is send. When you click send, you now confirm. You confirm it. Then that is all you need to do. Do not forget to make sure your Bybit account has been verified before you use it to receive your dog's token. Otherwise, you will lose your dog's token if it is not verified before you go there. So don't forget to subscribe on the page, like the video, and drop a comment. Ask any questions, I'll answer in another video. Thank you.